Hi, myself Bharat.
Hi, myself Danan.
We are studying in grade 9. Today we are going to explain about human ear and its function. Our human ear is divided into three parts.
Outer ear, middle ear, inner ear.
The main job of outer ear is collect as much as sound possible and it transfer to the auditory canal. The sound wave passes to the auditory canal and it vibrates the eardrum. The eardrum is a sensitive part and transparent membrane. As ear vibrates, the eardrum also vibrates and it touches to the middle ear. The middle ear consists three tiny bones.
Malleus incus stapes.
After it sent to the cochlea is a snail-like structure and it converts vibrations to electrical impulse and it transfers to the cochlear nerve and it touches to the brain. Let me show you once. When sound wave reaches to the eardrum, it vibrates. Look at the impulse create in brain. This is how we can hear sound. Thank you.